15 women work at Aminatou Toure's tea company. Today they're sorting and packing hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus is just one of the many different infusions the company produces. Like all the company's ingredients, the flowers come from Mali. I buy the ingredients for my tea, like the hibiscus flowers, for example, from a women's agricultural association in Djouliba. It's about 40 kilometers away from Bamako. The ginger we use comes from 400 kilometers away. All of our products are organic. Aminatou Toure is 41 and has 2 children. The entrepreneur first dreamed of producing tea when she was just 18. Years later, in 2013, she set up her company. That same year, Mali slid into political crisis. Happily, cash from private investors enabled her to buy the machines she needed. When our production got underway in 2013, things were very difficult here because of France getting involved in the crisis. It was a very tough time. But by 2014, we got through it. Slowly, word got out about our products. After all, tea is a staple for many people, and today business is going well. The factory produces several tons of tea every week. Most of it is exported to West Africa and France. Madame Toure's is one of the few manufacturing businesses in Mali. Analysts say that's a problem for the economy. You have to produce goods in order to be able to export them. That's Mali's problem. It produces too little. In 2017, we had a deficit of 100 billion CFA. In 2018, it's likely to be 63 billion CFA. Mali still consumes far more than it produces. Madame Toure wants to expand her business and focus on Europe and the US. After all, for the many expatriate Malians around the world, her Bamako tea is a delicious reminder of their homeland, something they're more than willing to pay for.